Stocks move higher this morning after an initial spike early in the morning on some geopolitical optimism. As I speak to you right now, we've actually got the Russell up almost 1.5%, about 1.43%. Dow and the NASDAQ both up right around 0.4%. Dow a little higher than the NASDAQ, and the S&P is up a little bit over 0.5%. As we get some geopolitical optimism, ceasefire talks doing very well according to both sides. Very well might be a strong statement, but doing well. There's actually some talk of potential drawdown of military equipment near Kyiv during the peace talks. Now, yields are still rising on the short end, but we've got some new inversions here in the U.S. We actually have the 5s, 30s go to -1 today. They sit at flat as I speak to you right now. The 5s, 10s are all the way down to -9 basis points. 2s, 10s only in single digits, 6 basis points. As I speak to you right now, we've got yields moving higher in the front end of the curve, lower in the back end of the curve. 10-year down to 245, 30-year down to 253, but the 2-year is up to 237. Right now, we've got gold, silver, and crude lower with copper higher. WTI is experiencing 2 straight sessions, at least for now, it could change as the day goes on, of drops over 5%. This happened on March 14th and 15th, but prior to that, you have to go all the way back to April 2020 to find it. Gold right now is down about 1.4%, silver down about 2.3%, and copper is actually just above the flat line, again on that geopolitical optimism. Now, we've got a euro rally on the same thing. Geopolitical optimism up over 1%, largest one-day percentage rally since March 9th, and the first time above 111 since March 18th. Now, looking ahead, we've got Fed speakers, New York Fed President John Williams, Philly Fed President Patrick Harker, and Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic all speaking today. And then in terms of data, tomorrow we've got March year-over-year preliminary inflation data, and then U.S. quarter-over-quarter final GDP from Q4 of last year early tomorrow morning. Late that evening, we've got Japanese retail sales. Actually, that'll be tonight, not tomorrow evening.